Hello, friends. We love our pets, but cleaning up after them can be quite a chore. The excess dirt and shedding, along with rain and snow, well, it can cover our carpets and furniture in big messes, not to mention lots of pet hair, which can potentially lead to problematic allergies. The Norwex Pet Mitt can be used damp or dry, and it's great for wiping off wet or muddy paws at the door. The pet mitt dries quickly, allowing us to reuse and clean more often than with a standard towel. The pet mitt contains silver, which is Norwex backlock antibacterial technology. This works to self purify and inhibit odors from bacteria, mold, and mildew growth, making it ready to use again and again. The mitt removes excess pet hair from your pet while washing or gently patting. And bath time for our pets can be messy. It can be an ordeal without a free hand. Bath time is more convenient and enjoyable for both you and your fur baby. Give the Pet Mitt a try and keep your pet close to you and your home cleaner, safer, and better.